So, Magella, can I ask you, for you personally, what's the highlight so far about coming to this conference?
Well, it's really useful to be able to meet fellow senior leaders from different parts of the country, because when you're in your own school, it can be quite isolating, irrespective of whether you have a small or a big senior leadership team. You need to. I think it's really important to be able to, bounce ideas off other senior colleagues, and as a result, then maybe find solutions together, or at least feel validated in your own concerns around students, or whether it's staffing, or it's we're not on our own here in that respect. So that's what I find really beneficial about events like today and
Brilliant.
yesterday.
Thank you, Magella. And Kevin, can I ask you, I know there was a discussion yesterday about the National Convention on Education. If you were to bring one or two messages to the department that they need to make sure they're considering when they're thinking about the future of education, what would you say to them?
Yeah, I was delighted to hear yesterday. I suppose the scope in which they're going in relation to all the different stakeholders involved are trying to get involved in the convention, and I hope captures the ever-changing landscape of education at the moment, and it's important to get all the different views of so many different areas, societies, and so on and so forth. So that to me is very, very welcome, and I suppose in relation to the future, then the change into the senior cycle curriculum is very, very welcome as well, and I suppose it's really important now that we get the CPD around that right, for teachers in the schools, so that they're able to deliver it and I suppose know what they're doing to the best of their ability, for the future of the young people in our schools, really.